Hi, my name is Karen Delport and this is what we're building at Novo Motor South Africa. We exist for one simple reason, to make mobility in South Africa cleaner, smarter and more inclusive. Our first pillar is reducing carbon emissions. South Africa's urban delivery economy runs largely on petrol bikes. We replace those with electric motorcycles that cut emission, lower noise pollution and reduce fuel costs, which is good for the planet and great for business. Secondly, we focus on reliability. Many of our riders earn their living on two wheels. If their bike does not start, they don't earn. So we provide trustworthy, purpose-built electric bikes backed by service and battery swap infrastructure that keeps them moving. Third, we want to empower female riders. The delivery and mobility space has been male-dominated for far too long. Our goal is to actively recruit, train and support more women in the sector because economic opportunity should have no gender limit. Fourth, we're building towards solar-powered battery swap stations. Today we swap batteries, tomorrow we charge them with the sun. Clean energy charging, clean transport, that's the goal. And here's something we're incredibly proud of. V-Motor International owns 35% of Novo Motor South Africa. Having a global OEM as a shareholder means we're not guessing. We have world-class manufacturing expertise with real skin in the game. We're not just selling bikes, we're building an ecosystem, cleaner cities, reliable income and real inclusion. And we're just getting started. Thank you.